Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So in this particular video, I want to mention about T ticker symbol, which had a nice day. At the same time, they are also looking good. So I'll just go through the ticker symbol side by side, mostly about the technicals, the support, resistance, short interest, and few other things. So those three ticker symbols are ticker symbol KAVL, ticker symbol RELI, and also ticker symbol KSCP. They all had nice day, and we played actually the first two, the KAVL and RELI. From our entry high of the day, you can see it was more than 20%, and these two actually also did really great last week, right? So these are the ones we really love. So anyway, let's see the chart here. So we are going to talk, but anyway, if you like this particular video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and also I have a Patreon community. Please join my Patreon, get access to my Discord so that we can all make some money, and you will get pre-market alert during market alert with support, resistance, and chart, and it costs only $9 per month. So anyway, some of the tickers, KAVL, we played it previously the day before. You see a huge move. Again, we played it today, and on our pre-market live in the morning, we talked about it and see how nice that thing moved, right? So it gapped up right after the market open. It came down. Then it was holding the support around 2.3 for some time. At the same time, we drew the line because it was making lower high. What happened? It moved sideways, then boom, from 2.45, it moved all the way to 2.75. Even after hour, it went to 2.9, almost $3. So things are looking really nice for this particular one. And if you look at the chart, instead of a 5 minute, if I go to an hourly chart, you can see that there are some nice room to go. After 3, it can go up to 3.8, or who knows, even 4.8. So very exciting. Ticker symbol KAVL. In terms of volume, what I see, it was not having any volume previously, but now it has been getting some kind of volume. So whenever the volume comes, this thing is moving. So the last trading day, it had 131 million, and today it was small, 50 million. But who knows, if we get more volume, we will see much more fun. Also, in terms of the volume, you can see that the average volume is only 18 million, but today's volume was 50 million, so almost 3 times more volume. The other thing I want to talk is about the short share availability. Currently, there is no shares available to short. Okay, good thing. And also the cost to borrow fee for shorting is 48%. In terms of the short interest, Fintel is showing only 4%, and off exchange showing only 48%. Anyway, if volume comes, this thing will go higher and higher. Then the other one is ticker symbol RELI. Again, on Friday we played it from $5 all the way to 6. Great day. Again, today it moved nicely. It moved nicely all the way to 7. So most of us got out around $7. And you see the blue line here, that was our trend line. I don't know why it changes. I go from 1 hour to 5 minutes. So I gotta adjust, like each time I change the time frame, it moves. So anyway, so we were playing this based on the trend line. You can see for last few days, 1 2 3, almost today 4. So 4 days it was going up, maintaining the blue line. That was the uptrend. So it was going, and at some point it started running. It went all the way to $7. Then now it is coming down, came down a little bit, found the support around $6, 6.2, and now trying to go back up. Now you can ask me why it got rejected around 6.9, and if you look at the chart here, and if you are following me, previously I talked, if we can go over 5.5 $6 area, we can hit $7 because there are some nice area. So once this area is cleared, I think after 7 or even 7.3, we have more room towards going to $8, 8.5, or $9. Do not forget, previously we played this same way. It went up all the way to 9.45 couple of times. So we are going to play this again, and this is a nice one. So whoever entered, a good one. If you are planning to enter, you can still enter maybe around 6.3 and have a tight stop loss. If you want, you can just wait for this to come even below maybe 5.5 in case the market is really bad. In terms of the volume, you can see there is no volume. Like it had nice volume previously, but now the volume is very small. So there is not enough volume. It needs more volume to push even higher and higher. You can see the average volume is 2 million. Today's volume was 3 million, nothing. Like the volume was not there even though it was going higher. In terms of few other things, shortablestock.com, you can see the cost to borrow fee rate is really high, 152%. That is one important thing for this particular stock. And also there are only 600 shares available to short. These are the figures I'm really liking. Also, if I go to Fintel, the short interest is 15%, which is good, and the off exchange is calling 58%. So that is why there are some nice setup. The only thing I see, if we see more volume, like the volume like 40 million, 50 million like previously, this thing is gonna run again. So we have been day trading on this for few time. You can see like each morning we come and we alert something like how it is going. So that is why it is very important. Like if you are following a community, you get the chart in the morning and you see what is happening, and it costs only $9 per month, not an expensive thing. So anyway, so the next one is KSCP. Even though I didn't play, I know some members on our community, they talked about it, so that is why I'm just talking about it. And this thing is looking really nice. Like it moved really nice, like 30% is not bad. So what happened for this particular stock, right? You can see in terms of the floor, it has something here, right? So the floor was around 6.7. Then after that, it went, look what happened. From 6, it went all the way to 26, came down, then even came down, and now it has been going sideways. And I can say not actually sideways, it's actually going higher slowly. So what is happening, 8.7, that is 8 point, not 8.7, around 9.2, that is one important area. It was previously a support, it was a support, then it became resistance. So once, twice, it couldn't break, it came down, again it tried, it couldn't break, again it is trying. So really, once the 9.2 will be hit again, it will have some kind of resistance. But if 9.2 is broken, I think it has some room to go towards $10, $11, 11.5, and so on. Again, a very nice looking chart in terms of the RSI, MACD. I think everything is looking nice. In terms of the volume, if I go to a daily chart here, you will see something. Let me show you. The chart is not good, right? You see a big pump came down, but what's happening, look at the volume bar today compared to the other volume. Huge volume came, huge volume came. So this thing came down, it was flattening, and maybe this is the time it will go starting going higher. So I just want to see the MACD, how the MACD is looking on a daily chart. It's not showing anything because only few days of data. So anyway, so KSCP, if you look at the volume, you see the huge volume compared to others is more than 68 million volume. So volume is coming back, which is really nice. Also, what else I can see? The other thing I can see here that the cost to borrow fee rate is 167%, which is really high. And the short interest is not showing me anything. So how you can play this particular one, right? So I'm gonna go back to 5-minute chart, and I want to see how this thing is shaping up. So if I draw a line here, and if it comes down, I'm expecting it will bounce from this 8.2 area. It will bounce from 8.2 area, and if it goes higher, it will hit the resistance again, $9, 9.2 again. If it can break, it can go towards $10. Otherwise, it will come down. So we need to see more volume. You see the volume came today. If we see more volume, definitely it will push. So bringing this to your radar, because I think this is also a nice one, getting a nice volume. Ticker symbol RELI. The uptrend was okay. It broke the uptrend with the market, definitely, but still it is holding the 6.3, 6.4 area. So hopefully it will pick up again. The other thing is KAVL. Back-to-back 2 days we played on this particular one. So you can see went up, came down again, trying to push up. So very exciting. And if you want more update on this particular tickers, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Also, you're part of my community, so that when I talk pre-market, when I alert, and also I come live at 9 o'clock on my Discord, I just go over my play, I discuss what is my profit target, what is my entry. So we talk everything. So if you want to get more, then please join my community, and let's get more informed decision. Thanks again for watching this particular video. Like the video, subscribe my channel, join my community, and let's make some money together. Thank you again. Take care and peace.